Some journeys are about seeing places. Others are about making a difference. VFI's Feed the Soldiers is a unique 9-day Volun-Touring experience that combines meaningful hands-on service, unforgettable exploration, and cultural immersion. This program allows participants to directly support Israeli soldiers by preparing and serving fresh meals at IDF bases across the country, while also experiencing Israel's history, people, and spirit firsthand. VFI Feed the Soldiers program is honored to partner with the Emergency Volunteers Project in Israel. EVP is an organization dedicated to training volunteers and first responders to support communities in Israel during times of crisis. Beyond the volunteer work, the program includes 4 days of guided touring to some of Israel's most compelling sites, including Tel Aviv-Yafo, Jerusalem, and the Gaza envelope. Volunteers reside for 5 nights on a modern IDF training base near Jerusalem, creating a deeper sense of immersion and camaraderie. You will spend 5 days working with mobile kitchen teams traveling daily to IDF bases across Israel, preparing and serving fresh meals to the brave soldiers protecting the nation. You will be assisting in the preparation and serving of traditional Israeli favorites such as falafel, schnitzel, shawarma, burgers, and barbecue meals. Every meal becomes a moment of appreciation, friendship, and connection. Some of the most meaningful moments come unexpectedly. Shared laughter, music, dancing, and the friendships formed along the way. Beyond the IDF bases and shared meals with soldiers lies another part of this journey, connecting with the history and soul of Jerusalem. In Jerusalem, thousands of years of history come alive through its streets, neighborhoods, traditions, and holy sites. Explore the timeless stone pathways of Jerusalem's Old City, with small shops lining ancient streets, Experience the vibrant energy of Machane Yehuda Market. What was once a place of music and celebration became one of the darkest scenes of October 7th. Israeli artist Amir Chodorov, in conjunction with the victims' families, devoted himself to building this memorial. He speaks of a soul connection with those murdered here, learning their stories, preserving their faces, and giving voice to their memory. At VFI, we encourage you to stand with Israel in Israel. A meal served, a conversation shared, a reminder that no soldier stands alone. If you're looking to serve, connect, and experience Israel in a meaningful way that few do, VFI Feed the Soldiers program welcomes you. Reserve your spot today.